the scalability and the high availability it become a very big challenge for us with the old technology that we used to have. So what we did actually is we made a major decision that we're gonna do two things. First, we have to renovate the entire system using new technologies like microservices. The second thing is we have to have it on the cloud. Oracle, they've been very supportive. They actually guide us. They let us know how to move in very strategized way. The support of Oracle and to guide us through transfer, it was one of the major points that why we selected Oracle infrastructure. Using experts from Oracle, it was a plus, and they've been always responding to us positively when we have any requirement. By moving to the cloud, Oracle cloud infrastructure, we overcome multi-challenges. We now have more agile implementation methodology. The second thing is the cost reduction. I would say the high availability and scalability is very important for us, especially when you're talking about the health information system and the EMR, EHR. You cannot have downtime at all. You have to be current, you have to be available all the time. Keep in your mind that Ministry of Health as a total, they have 280 hospitals and they have 2,400 primary healthcare clinics. It is a massive undertaking, but that's why having a cloud infrastructure supporting you to do the implementation smoothly and spending more time with the customer to enhance, to improve, and to train. This is also one of the major benefits from going through moving to Oracle cloud infrastructure.